stay up really at morning. Yay, this is an American triple set taken off. Yeah, the IT glitch only affected with very short haul, so unlucky. That's good though, because then I thought of countless glitch series filmings. Which Jerry's live at the Heathrow Garden in during departures. Yay! I just caught a sentinel flying over the XK, and then there's a longtail flying. Wow, that was cool. And cargo logic was going to... where was he going to? He was going to Frankfurt. He's now got to Frankenstein. There are little clouds not living the day, but that's like the wildfire was the other 3 weeks ago. Ooh, look, there's a plane. Who's that? I can see you. It's a squeezy yet. Or not the Atlantic, I don't know. There's yellow tail, that one. Are you a squeezy jet or the Atlantic? I don't know. Actually, I don't know, you might not be a dog of those. Yeah, I'll check the picture and find out. He's looking around from North Lanes. Oh, he's a Star Alliance KLM, I think. I was like, they're called Star Alliance ever thought the other time. There's so much going on above me that I keep forgetting to take pictures of. The plane's taking off. Yay! Blue air. Yeah, blue air. Look at the TV. 737 Max. The blue air 737 Maxi. Let's zoom up a bit. There you go. There he is. Stuart's not here yet. He said he might come later, or he might not, I don't know. They don't fly over his house when they're on easterlies. Yes. All the birds, it's lovely. We'll see where they are. Birds are in this tree. They're in this tree. There's a plane out there. There's a plane out there. Watch out, I don't film people. Let's see. There he is. Oh, Jim. Still those parakeet things. I got you on camera. Got you on there. And old parakeet. Just a those being filmed. Could it does, you just flew away. But there you go. Beautiful weather. Light clouds. And the clouds fade away by the end of the day, so that's good. But yeah, I'll definitely stay till like just after 4. Probably 4:30 at the latest, and then I'll get going. It's such a beautiful day. So I should get home just in time to watch Casualty. Yay! Dad goes to bed, don't wake up, goes around tomorrow. I like to do this.